Good day, guys. Welcome to today's video. We are going to be solving this question today. Question is that we should express 1 plus 1 over 3 cube plus 1 over 5 cube plus 1 over 7 cube plus 1 over 9 cube in terms of E, where E is the zeta of 3. And the zeta of 3 can be expressed as a sum from n is equal to 1 to infinity of 1 over n cube. So let's first expand the zeta of 3. So that is the sum from n is equal to 1 to infinity of 1 over n cube is just equal to 1 over 1 cube plus 1 over 2 cube plus 1 over 3 cube plus 1 over 4 cube plus and so on. How can we express this in terms of this? This is simple, guys. First, let's come to this. We can write this as 1 all over 2 times 1 minus 1 all cube, because 2 times 1 is 2, 2 minus 1 is 1, and 1 cube is just 1. And this will be plus 1 all over 2 times 2 minus 1 all cube plus 1 all over 2 times 3 minus 1 all cube plus dot 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 up to infinity. So we can write this as a sum in the form of a summation. So this will just be equal to the sum from n is equal to 1 to infinity. 2 is constant, so we say 2. 1 is changing as the term increases, so this will be 2 times n minus 1 all cube. So this is this expression. So let's write this here. So the sum from n is equal to 1 to infinity of 1 over 2n minus 1 all cube. And this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to expand this in this form, but the next thing I will do is I'm going to add the even terms, the positive value of the even, and subtract the same even value. So that is, this is what I mean. We have 1 over 1 cube and plus 1 over 2 cube minus 1 over 2 cube. Next, we have 1 over 3 cube, and we say plus 1 over 4 cube minus 1 over 4 cube. Next, we're going to have plus 1 over 5 cube, and we're going to minus, let's say plus 1 over 6 cube minus 1 over 6 cube, and we say plus 1 over 7 cube, and this will go on forever. Now what do we observe, guys? We observe that this series, we can get the zeta of 3 from here, and we'll have remaining terms. Let me tell you what I mean. So the sum from n is equal to 1 to infinity of 1 all over 2n minus 1 all cube is just equal to 1 all over 1 cube plus 1 over 2 cube plus 1 over 3 cube plus 1 over 4 cube plus and so on. Now what we don't have here, they are all positive, they are all negative version of the even terms. So we're going to write minus 1 over 2 cube minus 1 over 4 cube minus 1 over 6 cube minus 1 over 8 cube minus, and this continue forever. Are we observing this, guys? So if you look here, this is just the zeta of 3. So let me get something out so that we can continue. We're going to have the sum from n is equal to 1 to infinity of 1 all over 2n minus 1 cube to be equal to the sum from n is equal to 1 to infinity, because this is exactly this. So we write 1 all over n cube, and we're going to say minus. For this, I will just write it in the series form. This will be the sum from n is equal to 1 to infinity. These are all 2n's. So we have 1 over 2n, but all cube. Are we there, guys? Now, the next thing we're going to do is, in place of this, we know this is a zeta of 3, but the zeta of 3 is equal to what? A. So, sum from n is equal to 1 to infinity of 1 all over 2n minus 1 is equals to A minus, we can simplify this. Whenever we have AB to the power n, this is equal to A to the n times B to the n. So this will be the sum from n is equal to 1 to infinity of 1 all over 2 cube times n cube. And what can we do next? We can bring out this 2 cube in front because it's a constant term. So we know that 2 cube is 8. Bringing the 8 from, we have 1 over 8. So the sum from n equal 1 to infinity of 1 over 2n minus 1 all cube is equal to a minus 1 over 8. And the remaining term here will be the sum from n equals to 1 to infinity of n cube, which is also equal to the zeta of 3, and that is A. So to conclude this, we are just to solve this simple fraction. So we can find our least common denominator, which, because this A have a denominator of 1, and this will just be 8. So 1 into 8, it goes 8 times. 8 times A is give us 8A minus 8 into itself 1 times. 1 time A is A. So it will perform the operation. We're going to have 7A all over 8. So it means that, guys, this expression in terms of A is just equal to 7A all divided by 8. So this is our answer, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like the video, comment, and share your opinion in the comment section. As always, we're going to be up with the next video. As you see here, we're going to be solving another question in our next video. Thank you for always supporting. Have a blessed day.